Namaskar friends. Today we are going to discuss about 7 chakras and their 6 key aspects. So as we know, we have discussed in the previous videos, we have 7 chakras: Mooladhara, Swadisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishudhi, Ajna and Sahasrara Chakra. So each and every chakras are nothing but the whirlpool or vortex of the energy. Fine. So how many chakras we have? We have the 7 key chakras in our body, and all of these chakras can be found at the subtlest level, subtle body level. Fine. And there is one another thing. So in this video, basically we are going to discuss about these chakras, their lotus symbol, their yantras, Beej mantra, Tattwa, their musical notes and the gunas. So these are the 6 key aspects. Everyone must know about these chakras. So what are these? Let us start. First one is the lotus symbol. Here is a question I want to ask. Why all these chakras represented through this flower, lotus flower? I'll give you the answer of this question at the end of this video, so stay tuned till then. So let us start at Mooladhara level. This is the first chakra. This is the root chakra. It has 4 petals. This number represent here the petals of the flowers. 4 petals, and this is the color of the flower. So at Mooladhara level, we this lotus symbol, it represents the 4 petals and deep red color here, while the Swadisthana Chakra represent the 6 petals and the orange red color. Manipura Chakra 10 petals and the color is yellow. Anahata Chakra, the number of petal, as you can see, the number of petals are increasing. Anahata Chakra, number of petals are 12 and the color is blue. At Vishudhi level, the number of petals of this lotus flower is 16 and the color is purple. But whenever you reach to the Anahata Chakra, the petals are only 2 and the color is grey. Why the petals are 2? Because this chakra is called the merger chakra. This chakra is called the merger chakra, and these 2 petals basically represent the Ida and Pingla here. These are the nadis. If you want to study in detail about the nadis, you can refer this link. So this is the merger level. Beyond this, this is the Sahasrara, top chakra, the head of the crown chakra. It has approximately 1000 petals and the color is multicolored. They can be infinite. There can be n number of colors. Okay, so this is about the lotus symbol, their petals and the colors. Now we'll come on to the second important aspect, that is yantra. Yantra is basically the object on which anyone can concentrate, can meditate. So each and every chakra has their own object of meditation. So what are these? At Mooladhara level, this is the square shape, is yantra shape is square, that is yellow square. The Swadhisthana, that is the silver or white crescent moon. Manipura, that is the red inverted triangle. Anahata Chakra, this is in the form of the star, smoky 6-pointed star. And at Vishudhi level, this is the circle, white circle. Then at the Ajna Chakra, this is the grey circle. And at this Sahasrara level, this is beyond. So at this Sahasrara level, there is no shape, no yantra exists. Fine. Now we'll come on to the third aspect, that is the Beej mantra. Beej mantra are basically nothing but the seed the seed vibration exists at the each and every chakras. So what is the vibration? What is that seed vibration exists at the Mooladhara? That is the lum. These are the kind of sound or vibration. If you'll speak about, you can sense those vibration in your body, like lum, vam, ram, yam, hum, om. So at Mooladhara level, the Beej mantra is lam, Swadisthana, vam, Manipura, ram, Anahata, yam, Vishudhi, hum, and Agya, that is om, the Pranava om. Now, that is the fourth aspect related to these chakras. As these are the lotus symbol, yantra, Beej mantra, then similarly, each and every chakra has their own tattva. Or we can say the panch bhutas. What are the bhutas? So bhutas, Mooladhara, this is the root level. So this basically represent the earth, Prithvi. Swadhisthana represent Jal. Manipura represent fire, Agni. Anahata represent Vayu, and Vishuddhi represent ether, Akash. Can you imagine what exactly this represent? So let me tell you, this basically represent, here is no tattva, but in yogic text it is considered that at agya level there is a mind. It is, though it is not the kind of tattva, but there is a concept. At agya level, tattva, which is considered as mind. Now, there is another very interesting fact that these chakras represent the musical notes. And what are the musical notes we are aware of? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. We are aware about it. So, at Mooladhara level, the sound, that musical note is sa. Swadhisthana, re, Manipura, ga, Anahata, ma, Vishuddhi, pa, Agya, dha, Sahasrara, again sa. But where is that ni? Have you ever imagined? So basically here is very interesting fact. Ni here is nothing but the 8th chakra. Yes. In our body. That is called Bindu. It basically exists at this level where, you know, the Hindu people, the Hindu jo Brahmin, there are people, those who are Brahmin, they keep their tuft of hairs at this point. In Hindi it is called the choti of the Brahmin. So this chakra, whenever we say that there are 8 chakras, then these are called the 8 chakras here. So this 8th chakra is Ni. So if I'll consider this also, now the whole this musical note is completed like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Again, so this was about musical notes. Now we'll come to the gunas. The 6th aspect is the gunas. So what are the gunas represented at each and every level of the chakra? So Mooladhara and Swadhisthana Chakra basically represent the tamas, and Manipura and Anahata represent the rajas, and your Vishuddhi and Agya represent the sattva. Tamas to rajas to sattva to beyond the gunas. That is called at this level Sahasrara, that is guna tita. There is no gunas required at this Sahasrara level. Hope you have understood about the 7 chakras and their 6 key aspects. Now, I have to give the answer of this first question which I have asked. So what was that? Why the lotus flower is being considered here as the representation for these chakras? There is a deep concept behind it. Let me tell you. Hope you have seen the lotus flower. Na? My drawing is not that good, but if you can ever imagine how the lotus flower grows, this is the mud. So as the analogy with the spirituality, lotus is the only flower. Lotus is the only flower which grows in mud, then water, then air. Through mud, water and air. So here is a representation. Mud basically represent the ignorance. Water represent the efforts to grow from this to transcend from this ignorance, and air is nothing but the illumination. So at this level, these are the petals of the flowers. So hope you have understood why we have taken the lotus as a symbol for the Sahasrara Chakra. So this is basically nothing, or in another sense, what we can say, the whole concept of these chakras related to evolve from animalhood to manhood and ultimately reaching to the godhood. This is the basic concept. Animalhood, from ignorance to the effortness. We'll put efforts, then to the illumination. So, hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.